Metta Bhavana, cultivation of loving kindness. The good symbol for Metta, loving kindness, is the mother cradling her baby to sleep. The baby hidden to sleep will be the reasons I can still remember. That is what a good feeling when I was hidden to sleep by my mother. There is also a lot of joy when one is unselfishly caring for a friend. That is loving kindness and its results in the take meta is characterized by the promoting of the aspects of welfare, amity, goodwill, friendliness, and loving kindness are some words used to describe his mental state. There is not better way to know it than to study it as it occurs in one's own mind and others. It is a totally unselfish and pure state of mind that bring profit to oneself, others now and hereafter. The cultivation of this state of mind is called Bhavana, or normally translated as meditation. When we cultivate it, it becomes strong, powerful, and useful. It brings us abundant, deep, and intense peace and happiness. The cultivation of it involves the following: one, the concentration of metta. Concentration is become strong and powerful through metta. It also trains so that it can be given to anybody. That is flexible, versatile, universal, and boundless. 3. When the person force has become powerful, we can make use of it to produce many marvels, to make everyone like brothers. To do is effectively one, need the practice. Acquiring the skill requires patience. With experience, one improves. Metta and is phrased in Buddhism. Metta in Buddhism is a state of mind. Its object is the love above being. It is the state of wishing to promote the welfare of the love above being. In the Buddhist teaching, the doctrine of anatta or non-self occupy a position of price. Impression as such it may seem to be conflicting. This is because there are two types of truths: conventional samuti and ultimate paramattha. Conventional truths are conception and true only at the conventional level. When seen in an ultimate point of view, a mind free from idea, concepts. They do not exist. They are like shadow cast by reality. Therefore, the person exists only conventionally. Ultimately, he can be experienced as mental and material processes. If you think in this way, you are looking at things as they really are, which is actually inside Vipassana. To develop this dialects vision into reality it to practice inside meditation Vipassana Bhavana. As such a time, we cannot, we have be, ah, we cannot be having metta as the nature of the object differs. Moreover, when we return to conventional reality or switch back to conception object, then we may have the metta again. That is why, comparatively, Vipassana is more fulfilled and superior. It frees one utterly from all suffering of samsara, cycle of birth and death. Metta, however, must not be underestimated. Although man has its limitation, most of us will need a lot of time before we have completed the work of insight cultivation. And even after that, metta will still play a great role. Even Buddha are not always without conception, object, concept occur together with the mental formation and processes. In the discourse to Suppa, the Buddha answers questions brought to him after the lesson for long life and so forth. From the answers, we find that the karmic reasons that lead to long life, good health, beauty, following wealth, noble birth can be attributed to act connected with loving kindness, compassion, and sympathetic joy. Therefore, the four sublight of both Pramavihara, loving kindness, compassion, altruistic joy, and equanimity. Equanimity act is a truthing bram to tool still within the cycle of birth and death. Besides this, we also see metta as an effective means one to overcome anger, and it is the opposite of the violent and destructive mental states. True, to build up the required concentration base for the development of insights. Because with metta, our mind concentrates rapidly. 3. For a healthy relationship with every living being, so important for a happy family, society, and the world. From this, we can see that Metta Bhavana is something that should be practiced to some degree by everyone. Without is one not only tend to fail in social and personal relationship, but is also at a great disadvantage, disadvantage when involved in sufficient practice.